What the hell? Did I travel back in time? What's going on? 1 minute I was dozing off in math class. Next thing I know, I am in this body. Nah, I ain't accepting this. Who dares to mess with my Ascension sect? Ascension sect scums! You didn't think I survived, did you? So it was you, the one who slaughtered the people of the Kingdom of Lee. Years ago I thought you were dead after defeating you. Wanted to try to defeat me again? He broke through to the nascent soul sect master. What do? We have no choice but to fight to the death for the Ascension sect. Who else wants to die? Surrender to your fate. Hey, dumb bird, over here, stop gawking. I'm talking to you, you mad? Then hit me, I'm waiting right here. Never seen an old geezer so cocky in my life. Is that junior brother Ye? He had disappeared for decades. Asking for death, old man, I'll roast you up for dinner. Get over here if you've got balls.